ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kum shibanta ka jing rakhe ya ka jing alinti ka pasan post nam ha ka jing job tama jong ki sipai kari India persha ya ka West Pakistan ban penyo ya ka jing lai luot jong ka East Pakistan haus nam kat kantai Spanyol poi ya ka bala tip menta kum kari Bangladesh ka Indian Air Force jong ka Eastern Air Command Shillong ha ka sautrek no pra arajar arpoi kala penkut no ya ka jing penher ling sun ka bala long ha Orchid Lake Umyam Ribhoi District kani ka jing penher ling sun tama jong ka Indian Air Force ka Eastern Air Command Shillong kala sedang na do ka lai trek no pra arajar arpoi ha ka bala sakhi ba ka jing penher gini ling sun tama kala kring ya ki hajar ngut kinong shong ka jela ban lech sakhi ya ki ling sun ki ba her hasahet beneng ha ka jing pen kot ikni ka jing pen her ling sun la sakhi lang daulat ka jela Satyapal Malik u balalong kum kongsan kenthop ru Chief Justice Badan Brom jong ka yeng bishar Meghalaya High Court u Justice Sanjeev Banerjee u Air Marshal jong ka Eastern Air Command Shillong u DK Patnaik ka Chief Secretary jong Sarkar Jela ka kong RB Sushang ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka Ribhoi District ka kong RM Kurba ki sipai ki bla shong thaj bat ki he officer jong ka tanat yadari ha kini ki arsngi ki sipai sun ki la penher ki ling sun ya khontma ki bla tep kum Sukhoi Su-30 MKI bat ka ALH MK3 bat kum juru ka Surya Kiran Aerobatic.
This is to mark the 50th commemorative year for our victory over Pakistan, East Pakistan, and the formation of Bangladesh. And this was just a show which we are doing all over the northeast also. This was the first final show for Shillong, and very soon we are going to have one more at Guwahati also. That is for the people of Guwahati. And this is to thank each and everyone here in Meghalaya for having supported the armed forces during their struggle with the fight that they were indulged in during the 1971 Ops. And my heartfelt thanks to all the people who took part. Some of them are coming to Guwahati on the 12th to speak to us. We are having a small seminar there also. And once again, thank you, media friends, for having covered this beautiful show that happened. And I'm sure all of you enjoyed it, and particularly the school children. Thank you very much once again. And I also take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Governor, the Honorable Chief Justice, and all the esteemed guests who had come here to visit this, including the media people who were here to witness it. Thank you so much. Jai Hind and Jai India.
Without changing their diamond formation, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, a diamond roll from your left to your right. नेतृत्व करते हुए सूर्य किरण 1 की पोजीशन में उड़ान भर रहे हैं हमारे कमांडिंग ऑफिसर ग्रुप कैप्टन After that marvelous maneuver, next to all you are the Surya Kirans in the shape of the flanker. Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking at the team. Get to your left.